Do you want to turn off or disable the restricted mode on your TikTok app? Then you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how you can turn off the restricted mode in just a few short steps. This is a good option to enable if your kids are using the phone, but if they're not, let's disable it. Open TikTok on your device and go to your TikTok profile. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to open the settings and privacy. Once you open the TikTok settings, you want to find the Content Preferences button and open it in here. You are going to see two options, so tap on Restricted Mode right here, and then you want to click on Turn Off right here. Then TikTok will ask you to enter the passcode that you had set up while enabling the restricted mode, so you want to enter the passcode in order to disable this feature, and you can see that it says that restricted mode is off.